Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the solid-state drive on a Dell Inspiron 7390.
If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount.
First unscrew, then use fingers to separate and remove base cover. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove solid-state drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.